step dancing on the roof. It's like they're calling out, don't lose your youth, 'cause I can stay inside and go inside. Oh,
hello everybody, what is up? So in today's video, I'm gonna be sharing with you what I eat in a day. So this one is gonna be completely different from the last one because now we're living in Vietnam. So some of the things that we eat here are completely different from what I'm used to in Canada, or maybe what you're used to seeing in North America. Now, do forgive me for having wet hair. We just came back from the gym and I don't have access to the blow dryer right now. So just ignore it, it'll dry out later. The first thing I wanna mention is I have been doing intermediate fasting because I've been stuck in a weight loss plateau for over 2 months now, which is a little bit frustrating, but to address that, like I said, I've been doing intermediate fasting. I haven't been doing it for all that long, less than 2 weeks, so I'm not expecting to see any kind of results. I'm just sticking with it. So the first thing that I have in the morning is a big glass of water. This is just what's suggested by healthcare professionals, so that's why I'm doing it. The second thing I have is a cup of coffee. Now I know this isn't part of the fasting suggestions, or I guess you can say I'm breaking the rules because I'm adding in milk, but I cannot drink black coffee for the life of me. It tastes so bitter and really gross to me. So I will not drink black coffee straight, so I just add in a little bit of milk. Now, while I'm drinking the coffee, I like to sit down and read a book. This just really helps get my mind going and being prepared for the rest of the day. The book I'm reading right now is called Ikigai, and I really do love this book. It is so helpful, and I really would suggest giving it a read, especially if you're looking to find your purpose in life and feel like you can actually achieve that. And finally, when we got home, I was able to get something to eat. I was starving at this point, so I didn't talk at all really, except for saying like, these bananas are amazing, something along those lines. And so I couldn't really say anything because I was so hungry and exhausted. Now after the banana, I ate a little bit of cereal, and I don't want to eat too much because we're eating lunch soon after. So I usually have my breakfast around 10:30, and I didn't get to it until almost 11 o'clock, and then we eat lunch around noon. Now I don't eat too much for breakfast because if I'm eating breakfast at 10:30 and then lunch is at 12, then I'm not gonna be exactly hungry at lunch. So I just prefer to not eat a lot for breakfast. So just the banana and a little bit of cereal if need be. Some other days I would probably eat only fruit, which if you've seen some of the fruit that I've been posting on my social media, then you know that I'm a fruit fanatic. I love having all of the different fruits that are available here in Vietnam, and it has been great. So some mornings I don't even bother having the cereal. I'll only eat fruit. Now we are getting ready to eat lunch. It is 11:46 here, and we're gonna have steak with something else.
A few moments later.
Okay, so this is what we have for lunch. We have stir-fried vegetables. All this is bell peppers and potatoes, some kimchi. I want to hurry up and finish this one up because it's not my all-time favorite. So the sooner we get it over with, the better, and we can go get a better one. The last thing, as already mentioned, beef steak. I still have to cut it, but looks okay. And of course, we're gonna eat all of this over top of rice.
miss you. I'm a little tipsy. I think about you all the time. Call me back.